master bedroom. Woo, goosebumps. I just had tingles going right up the back of my spine. Most energy of the house was in the master bedroom, and my eyes were drawn to the wall above the bed. Oh my God. It was almost like a handprint. I see fingers right here. It's like a bone. Hieroglyphics. Markings on the wall were hieroglyphics designed to bring a message. I'm getting more 3 syllables to a name. The spirit had me write on a piece of paper, and there were 3 lines. I couldn't put a name, but it had 3 syllables. See what's in the basement.
Without any prior knowledge of what has happened in the house, Dean is strangely attracted to the very chair in the basement that family members have witnessed rocking on its own. The chair belonged to Nick's father, who passed away 15 years ago.
A male energy, very strong energy. This spirit that I felt is definitely a male entity or a male spirit. It's got a long name and it's a 3 hyphenated name. The spirit is connected to the homeowner on various levels. It's also connected to one of the daughters I feel, and it's over and out, where I got the door shut.
How smoke?